Hami amukela valandeli va Zaka Mzala Publishers YouTube channel na le ka Facebook hi kumeka hi page leyi tivekaku mo hi miluma tindleve. Eka siku ra namuntlha hi ta va hi langute hungu leri nga rhanga emahlweni ra Matsalana-nkulu wa vandla ra ANC Ace Magashule laha a bulisana na Tshidi Media laha a kombisa leswaku yena angayi helo u ta tama a ha ri Matsalana-nkulu wa vandla ra ANC. Mkandisi wa kona wa landzela hi nkarhi lowu nga hetiki mbili.
Nothing is going on with me. I'm still a Secretary General. I've suspended, as the NEC, we have suspended Suret.
What does that mean when you say the NEC suspended the president of the ANC? What has he done to deserve a suspension from you?
Allegations, those who have allegations, those who are charged, those who are reported to have been involved.
And what about your suspension? We understood earlier today
I've appealed.
Sorry?
I have appealed to Tshidi.
So because you have appealed, you remain Secretary General of the ANC?
I'm Secretary General of the ANC. I was elected by conference. You can quote me verbatim.
I'm not going to just quote you verbatim. I've got you. So you've now suspended Cyril Ramaphosa based on allegations. Ace, can I ask you very quickly, what does this mean for the ANC at the moment? We are speaking as journalists, and people are saying that you're driving the party.
I'm not going. I was elected by conference.
You're not going to resign. You're not going anywhere.
No, I'm not. I've appealed, and I will call a press conference.
You remain the Secretary General of the ANC.
As elected by NASREC delegates.
What happens to your conscience and step aside? They say
there's no conscience here. What happened to the conscience of everybody on the resolution of the ANC national highest decision-making body, the national conference?
They say stepping aside is about putting...
Why don't you read fighting crime and corruption? Why don't you read those 10 points?
What do you think your comrades are taking? Okay. What do you think is happening? Why do you think your comrades are coming after you?
Yeah, because they are using state organs. And they've been using state organs, and we have been quiet, and we know this. And we know what they are cooking. This is not the last case. We know what they are cooking.
Who?
We know what they are cooking against Supra. We know what they are cooking against Bo. We know what they are cooking against Lindwe Sisulu. We know what they are cooking against some of the ministers.
And just to clarify, the letter that was sent out, that's circulating, that letter is not a fake. That letter is from you.
That is not fake. That letter, I've just told Pule Mabe now, that letter is not fake. The letter was delivered.
When was it
immediately
delivered?
After the NEC, the letter was long prepared and delivered to DSG, Chelsea, and President's house.
When was it delivered?
The letter was long prepared on the fact